Hello, trading is closed on June 28th, 2018. Let's go over our calls. This was a potential change in trend day. Yesterday we thought this might have been a high. Today it looks like this might be a low. We had some calls. One was that if we didn't gap under this low, that the move down, should it occur, probably wouldn't stick. We had a target of 26.91. The low is 26.92. I think that's sufficiently close. I think the pattern's been completed. We haven't broken through the Gann-Fan resistance yet, but we did complete the downside pattern within a point, which is good enough for me. We had an upside target, 27.2278. It came within about a point and a half of the actual high, so that one worked as well. During the day, MEJT gave a sell signal. We got to lower prices. System said it wouldn't stick. This rally, it said it would retrace. We got a buy signal here in the move up. The target of this buy signal wasn't very much higher, but this was the target of yesterday's pattern. Closing over all these lows is positive. Rallying all day, closing over the middle of the day high is positive. And tomorrow's pattern is the one with the early low and the late high. Tends to be a bullish day, closed near the high. If it isn't a bullish day, there's usually weakness early, the first 1 to 2 hours. That doesn't happen. It's on a Friday in particular hard to see a rally not working. If we do rally and we close over 27.3462, that will complete the 913.9 to mark sell signal. And even though I think if this low holds early, we should see higher prices tomorrow, that doesn't get the market out of trouble. This is still the count I'm using until proven otherwise. Let's look at the count starting from B. Yesterday I had this as a 1 and 2 with an impulsive wave 3 down. Still could be if this is wave 2 of 3, but you also can count this as an A, a B, and a C, with the fib ratio between C and A. So it could be this is A and we're still in wave B, and even though it could be over right here, it doesn't really have to be, and it allows for prices trading over this high and over these highs in particular, which would kill the 5-wave count. Doesn't mean they have to. Well, I still think the market's in trouble here, but it doesn't mean we drop every day. This was a recovery over a number of lows. It's a rejection of the lows. And as long as we don't reject the rejection early, I expect to see higher prices tomorrow. And that's today's call.